How TikTok's AI-powered algorithms are keeping youngsters scrolling. Anybody who's familiar with online entertainment knows that using it exorbitantly can easily interfere with work, studies, and social life. TikTok is a relatively new entrant to web-based entertainment, yet somehow has something extra that makes it super habit-forming. An increasing number of people, in their billions globally, are spending an enormous portion of their day addictively looking over TikTok recordings. As people are for the most part visual in nature, we grasp our general surroundings through sight. TikTok offers a limitless blend of memes, comedy, motivational words, relationship guidance, and religious lessons that will undoubtedly reach the human soul. The outcome of TikTok has pushed other web-based entertainment stages, like Facebook, Instagram, X, previously Twitter, and YouTube, to feature videos in the equivalent of the endless scrolling as TikTok. Linda, a 33-year-old sales executive, is a frequent TikTok user. She can be found looking at videos in the application any place she gets a Wi-Fi connection. My best videos to watch are those of vernacular music, sermons, comedy and spiritual songs, Linda says. At the point when she's through with TikTok, she moves to Facebook and YouTube for additional videos, being stopped only when she is away from a Wi-Fi hotspot. Linda considers her experience via social media as fun and harmless. I've gleaned some significant lessons watching those videos, and my eyes don't hurt by any means, she jokes. The Reuters Institute uncovered in June that Kenya has the world's heaviest users of TikTok. 54% of those overviewed owned up to utilizing the video application for different purposes. Kenya was trailed by Thailand, whose TikTok utilization was 51%. South Africa came third, where 50% of respondents owned up to utilizing TikTok. Kenyans are not simply utilizing TikTok to share captivating videos. As per review results, 29% of Kenyan respondents got their news only from TikTok. This arising pattern suggests that more and more Kenyans are getting news from unregulated sources, like influencers, celebrities, and online entertainment personalities. From a psychological wellness viewpoint, excessive social media utilization decreases efficiency and progress in work, learning, and different everyday issues. Sophia Petrillo of the Brown University School of Public Health says web-based entertainment addiction has been associated to negative health patterns, especially among teenagers and youth. Two separate studies, one on Scottish teenagers and one more on U.S. college students, both demonstrated a connection between expanded use of social media entertainment and elevated degrees of anxiety, Petrillo says. Public and global studies have all found connections between virtual entertainment use, impaired sleep, and poor eating patterns. Taken together, these findings suggest that the implications of web-based entertainment addiction can be harmful to both individual and population well-being, Petrillo says. TikTok's popularity is generally credited to AI. TikTok utilizes man-made reasoning to distinguish every client's preferences. The type of content you share, watch, like and post tells artificial intelligence what to show you each time you open TikTok. Look at TikTok as an eatery. Imagine in the event that each time you got into a cafe, the server guided you straight to your favorite spot, where you find your favorite food already prepared. The vast majority of people would be content with such a cafe and will get back to indulge in the customized service. Then, envision being in the eatery and meeting individuals who share your taste for food, politics, music, comedy, style, and some other topics. You begin to feel part of a social club, and you will need to spend time with these individuals as frequently as you can. The impact of artificial intelligence on social media platform is reiterated in a 2022 study paper distributed in the Outskirts of Frontiers of Psychology journal. Researchers found that TikTok's systems, rather than the quality of the content, contributed greatly in drawing in youngsters to the platform. There is a closed-loop relationship between TikTok addiction and its AI algorithms. Clients seem to be trapped in an entertainment spiral. The paper expresses that TikTok's frameworks are outfitted with a highly advanced algorithm, way more developed than previous social media platforms. This empowers TikTok to suggest content in a more precise and customized manner. What are the signs of social media video addiction? The main sign is the response of individuals near you. Assuming your family, buddies and co-workers are concerned that you are investing an excessive amount of energy in your cell phone, you ought to take them seriously. Being hooked to social media entertainment will divert you from associating with individuals near you. It will interfere with your work or school life. Do you get into bed yet continue to look at recordings work the late evening? Do you feel miserable when not via virtual entertainment, or feel that you are missing out on what's happening out there? Provided that this is true, you might be going to social media to get away from the genuine issues you are facing. How would you recover your life from this kind of addictions? 1. Time restrictions. The initial step is as far as possible on how long you spend on the web. Digital Responsibility, an advocacy group that is promoting awareness on the results of technology, encourages allotting specific times for virtual entertainment. You may, for instance, choose to use social media strictly in the early evening. You might choose to quit actually taking a look at web-based entertainment after 8 p.m. so as not to divert it from rest. The times you pick is not entirely set in stone but depending on your way of life and habits. 2. Get a hobby, make dates to meet with companions genuinely. Take an internet-based class that purposes up time and gives you genuine benefits. During the short time frames you will have designated for online visits, seek for meaningful content. Unfollow content makers who don't offer genuine benefit to your life. Where possible, proposes the Digital Responsibility Advocacy Group, begin another leisure activity that doesn't have anything to do with the web at all. 3. Disable notifications. Sounds made by notices from social media applications can be disruptive. Naturally, every app is bound to sound a notice except if you switch off that component. Except if you are maintaining a business on the virtual platform, it isn't important to get your telephone each time there's a warning. Leave warnings just for significant messages, for example, work messages. In summary, social media is definitely not an entirely evil thing that should be kept away from. You can keep in touch with individuals who make a difference to you while investing less energy in online entertainment.